Cricket enthusiasts around the globe, the moment we all have been waiting for has arrived. March 4, 2025, the semi-final of Champions Trophy. The battleground is set at Dubai International Cricket Stadium, where two cricketing powerhouses, India and Australia, are poised to lock horns in a match that promises high-octane action and unyielding passion. India, under the astute leadership of Rohit Sharma, has been a force to reckon with this tournament, dominating Group A with an unblemished record. Their journey has been nothing short of spectacular. The batting maestro Shubman Gill has been in sublime touch, consistently providing robust starts. Complementing him is Shreyas Iyer, whose recent form has been a cornerstone of India's batting lineup. Their synergy at the crease has been instrumental in setting formidable targets. The bowling arsenal boasts the enigmatic Varun Chakravarti, whose recent 5-wicket haul against New Zealand has added a new dimension to India's spin attack. Alongside him, the ever-reliable Mohammad Shami continues to be a nemesis for batsmen, consistently delivering breakthroughs when it matters the most. On the flip side, Australia, led by indomitable Steve Smith, has showcased resilience amid challenges. Despite the absence of their frontline pacers, Pat Cummins, Josh Hazelwood, and Mitchell Starc, the team has unearthed new talents. Josh English's unbeaten 120 against England underscores Australia's batting depth. Moreover, the inclusion of Cooper Connolly as a replacement for injured Matt Short adds a fresh dynamic to the new lineup. The Dubai pitch has historically favored spinners, a factor that lifts the balance slightly in India's favour given their rich spin resources. However, Australia's adaptability and fighting spirit ensure that they remain formidable opponents irrespective of conditions. So, the predictions: while India's consistent form and familiarity with Dubai conditions position them as favourites, one can never discount Australia's tenacity in the knockout scenarios. If India bats first and posts a total in vicinity of 280 to 300, they could exert a significant pressure on Australian side. Conversely, Australia's strategy would hinge on utilizing India's spin threat and leveraging their batting depth to chase or set a competitive total. One certainty prevails: this encounter is set to be a cricketing spectacle embodying the rich legacy and fierce rivalry of these nations. So gear up for a match that promises to etch memories in the hearts of cricketing history. Don't forget to follow New Street Live on Instagram, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment us your thoughts.